because of the because practically we have experienced the progress and development, moreover grievances as well, and all the schemes and projects of central government and as well as the state government, how these are implemented and what is the progress. To review it practically, we have visited this even to the bottom villages. So along with district administration and DM, I have visited many localities and rural areas, blocks of this Kawai district. And this morning we reviewed the progress of different schemes and works of the governments. It's very satisfactory because of the double engine Sarkar, central government led by Pradhan Modi ji and the state government led by the vibrant, energetic and dynamic leader, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Manik Sahaji. Now Tripura is going to witness what this real development is, because although it may sound like political statement, but it is true that after independence, for the last 6-7 decades, like many other parts of Northeast India, our Tripura also didn't see the real development. Now, during these last 10 years, in all the sectors, right from education to healthcare to agriculture, everywhere. Now, like the other parts, Tripura is also on the right track. Now we are confident, we are very much optimistic with the cooperation of people, with the blessings of people of the beautiful state of Tripura. Both the government, the central and state government will be able to implement all the schemes and projects on time-bound manner, with result-oriented manner, and I'm optimistic. Only to review that, I have come as a really nice experience, especially the costume, the attire, the textile. Textile of the our tribal people of this beautiful land, and the cultural performing arts I have witnessed. So rich. Tripura is so rich in culture, in language. The social fabric is so strong. The flora, fauna, the nature beauty is so mesmerizing. So along with the review, I'm enjoying the beauty of the beautiful state, especially the people of the state. Lovely Tripura.
Thank you.